Hello, Erica. I'm gonna see your file, and since you said you just started using this course imp, I thought maybe it's good if I make a video so can give you some hints about this software. So here I have your file. I'm gonna open it. Okay, this is the location. Let me just run the file to make sure we have those issues that you mentioned. Okay, here are the two fatal errors. The first one said node 1 is defined as an approach to node 3, but link 1 tree does not correspond to the previous defined link. Okay, we know we don't have the link 1, 2, 3, right? Let me bring your graph. So here I have your file. Yeah, we don't have link 1 to 3. Check record type 35. Yeah, let me see what is, if you want to see what is record type and what does those lean things means, let me first bring the record types in the software. If you go to tools, editor and text editor, you will see this guy here, bunch of numbers which in the first glance don't make any sense, but yeah, they do make sense. Let me if you want to see know what does each of these lines mean, you can go to help, open this course and reference manual. Here we have the definition of like each record type, what does it do, and it kind of explain it in deep. Let me search for record type 35. So this is the record type 35, which is the signal sign or pre-time signal control. Here we have definition of that. Each entry starts from a column. For example, entry 1 starts from column 1 to 4, and it's number of nodes for that intersection. The same entry 2 is start from column 5 to 8, and it's offset for the signal, and the rest of entries, you can see them. So let me go to your file. We know record type 35 has some issue. These guys from here to here are record type 35 in your file. Okay, you got it from here to here. And we know this issue is for record type 35 is related to node 3. So this is node 3. If you remember here, the first entry in record type 35 is a node number of the intersection, and so essentially something is wrong in this part of the code. So we go step by step. So node 3, we find this node. So we don't have offset, it's kind of dummy intersection, and we don't have real intersection there. But the issue is here indeed, yeah. So let me bring your map one more time. So for node 3, you see we have just one upstream node, 8001. But here we kind of defined two, as you see. Up to here we have upstream node number for approach link 1. which we kind of have defined 1, it shouldn't be 1 because we don't have upstream node 1. And if we just remove that and bring 8001 as upstream node for link 1, and right after that, if we go to upstream node for approach link 2, we see we don't have anything, so it's empty. So it should be fine. Let me save the file, run the file. Oh, so we have an issue. So there's an inconsistency exists between the specification and record type 35 and 36 for node 3. Again, this node, the record type 35 identifies 1 approaches, which we're good with that. We should have 1. While record type 36 specifies signal control code for 2 approaches. So the issue is with record type 36 now because we fixed the 35. Let's go there one more time. Record type 36. From here to here, we know it's related to node 3. And I already can see the issue. The issue is here indeed. Let me go to the manual, search for record type 36. Yeah, this is for sign and pre-time signal control again. And here you have entries, start column, end column, and type of that, range, unit, and everything. So the first one, like always for all record type, almost it's node number. So when in record 36 we want to check node 3, go for this guy. The second one is control code for approach link 1 to 5. Approach link control code. Let me see what is control code for approach link 1. Interval 2. So okay, here it is. So we have like 5 approaches, which should be between 0 to 9. I mean, you can define up to 5 approaches for node, for each node, and in time interval. But here, since we have just 1 approaches to node 3, we shouldn't define 2. We should just have 1. And forgive me, don't need to update my computer now. And after just removing one of them, just if you have to kind of have add a space here, so this record type gets in line with the rest of them. So that's the main issue. That was the main issue probably. We have just 1 approaches, but we had defined 2 approaches. To make sure that was the issue, let me bring this guy, and node 3 has just 1 upstream node, 8001, similar to node 5, which again has just 1 upstream node, node 1. The rest of nodes like node 4 or node 2, they have like 2 upstream nodes. For example, node 4 has 8003 and 1, because it's like two-way street. Can come upstream node can be 8003 and can be 1. So if we get back to code, you see this like for node 4 we have 2 approaches because we have 2 extreme node, same as node 2. So, but for node 1 and node 3 and node 5, we have just one. So by just removing that one, we should be fine. Let me save it, run the code, and you see it works appropriately. You can also see the animation. Make sure it's I mean, kind of not sure if it's the way that you want to model this network, but yeah, we assume it's the right way, and it's like want to make it like that. Just run the simulation. See, yeah, everything seems fine. Yeah, this approach now get green. Yeah, it seems fine. So perfect. That's it. Let me know if I can help in any other way, or if you have any other question. Thanks.